Life is constantly changing. As the automotive industry shifts towards an increase in managed vehicles, we recognize a disruption occurring within the entire supply chain. This creates a significant shift. Lisa, who manages concepts, ponders how she can make her workshops future-proof to work with fleets and maintain stable utilization. James, a workshop owner, notices that fewer private customers are visiting. He wonders how he can attract new fleet customers. Fleet manager Tom longs to reduce his service and repair costs while working smoothly with independent workshops. Let's be prepared with Caruso's fleet management solution. Lisa is overjoyed. All the independent workshops she manages and uses the solution with have experienced a significant increase in fleet customers. James's workshop is thriving. The solution directs fleets right to his workshop. With connected car data, he can be better prepared and view the vehicle status before it even arrives. Utilizing connected car data from Caruso and the fleet management solution, Tom can collaborate with all stakeholders in a seamless digital manner. He receives real-time access to all information, can check on all agreed-upon conditions about his vehicle, and can monitor at all costs. This allows him to work more efficiently. Be prepared for the shift and elevate your business to the next level with Caruso's fleet management solution.